Dance, beautiful people, my beautiful people. Ta-da! I don't know if y'all knew this, but I am natural. Yes. This is me after I washed my hair and conditioned it, and I have a leave-in treatment. My leave-in treatment in my hair. Just wanted to show you how it looks like when it's wet. All right. My little afro. Yes, y'all. I'm planning on making more and more natural hair videos, all right, y'all? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm just being silly right now. Okay, my beautiful people, here we are, okay? Here is the hair, okay? My natural hair after I unraveled them. You know, I had them in braids, big braids, okay? Ah! So I had them in big braids, and this is how I decided to wear it today. Okay, I have my little headband. All right, so as you all know, or maybe you guys don't know, because I have a lot of new subscribers. So my beautiful people, okay, my natural girls, beautiful people, as you may know or may not know, well, to my new subscribers, I am natural. Okay, I've been natural since 2013, and it's been like such a struggle for me. And the reason it's a struggle is because I cannot stay away from heat or color. I'm always coloring my hair or putting heat in my hair, and that causes it to be damaged. I have a whole playlist. Okay, I have a whole playlist. I'm gonna show you. See, I have a whole playlist actually on my page for natural hair. So last year for my birthday, and I'm gonna put a picture up. Okay, I went to the hair salon and I got my hair straightened. I know I should not have done that. Okay, I know I should not have done it, but I did it. So I went to the hair salon, I got my hair straightened, and then as a result, I got heat damage again for like the 6th time. Okay, so all last year, since like April of 2022 till now, I've been primarily wearing my wigs, just and treating my hair, because I had to literally start from scratch again, like, you know, just chop it off, start from scratch again. Okay, so this is what you're seeing 1 year, okay, later, and it's finally like, I guess, healthy to a stage that I'm comfortable with. So you will be seeing me more with my natural hair. Okay, so to all my natural hair ladies, okay, my supporters, you'll be seeing more natural hair. Okay, so that being said, I know, and you'll also be seeing me with my wigs. So, you know, because I love my wigs, but to be honest with you, I prefer my natural hair. Okay, I prefer my hair like this, okay, in its natural state. All right. So, yeah, I mean, follow me, subscribe, come with me through this journey once again, all right? And I'm just here to let you guys know, don't give up, okay? Don't give up just because you fall down, whether it's in love, whether it's your hair, your finances, okay, whatever the thing is, don't give up. Just keep on going. Okay? The universe, God will see your effort and will reward you, okay? All right, my beautiful people, if y'all want to know, I'm gonna do more videos about like the products that I use, my hair care routine, nightly routine, like all that stuff. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Love you as always with the love of Jesus Christ. See you in the next video. All right, Duns, beautiful people. Mwah.